Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of two great products from the Burst company. First one here on the right is their original Sonic electric toothbrush for adults. Really impressed with this. It has this really embossed, beautiful box, and you open this up and it has the product right there and the information manual right behind here, as you can see. Tells you how to use the device. We're going to show you everything. And the Sonic toothbrush is there. Then you take out the center right here, pulling that, and you have access to the toothbrush with soft bristles and the charging base right here. So we're going to take everything out and put it on the table and show you. Now, what's really great about this is that, well, first of all, both these products get excellent customer ratings, the Toothpaste and the Sonic toothbrush. And this has 3 modes. And also, this has a 1-year warranty and a lifetime warranty if you're enrolled in their devices replacement subscription service. So, if you've never used a Sonic toothbrush before, they're pretty amazing. They really work amazing, and you're going to get about 10 times more plaque removal, and that's been proven many years with research. Because what this is doing, this tip is going at 33,000 RPM. Compared to your normal toothbrush, which you're just moving, or even other toothbrushes that claim they're electric, they're just moving in a motion like that. They're moving really slowly compared to this. And that sonic vibration, we're going to show you what that does. And it reduces gum bleeding also. In about 2 weeks of using this, you're going to have improved gum support because these nylon bristles are soft. And this is going to last for about a month for a charge. And it's very simple to charge, I'm going to show. And it has 3 modes on there and reminds you to change every quadrant for 2 minutes at a time. So it's going to remind you to change every 30 seconds of the quadrants, I should say. And that's important for you. So real simple for this. There's a little smiley face right there. You hold that down and you'll see it'll cycle through the 3 modes. This is the strongest. This is an intermediate mode. This is a massage mode. So if you put it on there, you stop there. The next time you hit it, it comes on. Now I wanted you to hear something so that you can hear this. I'm going to put the head to vibrate the sound. So that is how high frequency it is. So this is acting like a speaker or a transducer, because we're not going to easily hear that. But you could really feel that vibration. And from a microscopic point of view, that vibration is going on your teeth and your gums. So when you hit this again, it turns off. It's going to remember that position for the next time. Very simple. Now the toothpaste that I've tried before, this is great. 4 ounces of Burst Kids Strawberry. I like Kids toothpaste. I don't like all the minty strong flavor. I get indigestion from it. So this is really great for me. It's fluoride free, and what it does is it has no sugars, SLS, artificial sweeteners, or flavors, dyes, or phtalates. It's made with nanohydroxyapatite to strengthen enamel, and xylitol to keep away bad bacteria, and silicone, which is lightly abrasive to clean your teeth and polish your teeth. Very nice. And this has got a nice simple little applicator. You just push it like that. I love the smell. It is that strawberry smell, slightly sweet in taste. No strong mint burning in your mouth. I love that. So we're going to put some heads on here, and let's see what's in this little packet right here. There is the soft bristle brush. Wow, that is really soft. Look at that, really high-tech looking. So this goes on one way like that, and you notice there is a gasket right there, silicone gasket. Occasionally you'll need to clean that because some toothpaste will flow in there, but this is waterproof, so very nice. And there again is those vibrations. I wish you could feel this. It's such a tickling feeling, and that's what's massaging your gums. I want to show you, this is the charging base with USB-A, and they did a really nice job. It has rubberized feet, and it's heavily weighted. It's weighted down, so this will stay in place when you plug this in. So let's plug this in off camera. So I have that plugged into USB-A port, and you place this on there like that, and let's move this up higher so we can see. And you can see it's got that little red LED right there, letting you know that it's charging. And that will turn off or turn to green, let you know that it's complete. And you also have this nice little cover right here that can go on like that. and then the whole thing is complete, and that just makes it look nicer and keeps the toothpaste and everything off it from getting on there. Look how nice that is. It's just that simple. Any 2 amp or greater charger will work for you, and you'll be all set. So here I'm just going to demonstrate it on my teeth right here. That's without any toothpaste, but I just wanted to feel the vibration of it. It feels so good. It's actually massaging your gums. Now I'm going to put some of this toothpaste on here. I love the smell of it, strawberry. So you notice there was that little delay in there. If you want to do your quadrants based on that, you can do that. Toothpaste is really delicious tasting, and again, it's polishing and cleaning my teeth without fluoride, so great for kids and adults. So after testing, what do we think about these 2 great products from Burst, the kids toothpaste and the Burst Original Sonic Electric Toothbrush? I love this product. I love this weighted base and the way this thing vibrates. It's just really amazing. You're going to feel this tickling, and it's going to be cleaning the plaque off, and you'll be all set. I love what they did here. This thing feels high quality, and I've been using it for several days now, and I'm impressed with how well it works. So I'm going to give both these products a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.